Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. Pinterest, P-I-N-S, has been one of the most searched for stocks lately. So, you might want to look at some of the facts that could shape the stock's performance in the near term. Shares of this digital pinboard and shopping tool company have returned minus 3.5% over the past month versus the S&P 500 Composites minus 1.1% change. The internet, software industry, to which Pinterest belongs, has lost 0.8% over this period. Now the key question is, where could the stock be headed in the near term? Although media reports or rumors about a significant change in a company's business prospects usually cause its stock to trend and lead to an immediate price change, there are always certain fundamental factors that ultimately drive the buy and hold decision. In this video, you'll get to know whether or not Pinterest deserves to be in your portfolio. Number 1. Earnings estimates. The consensus earnings estimate of $1.34 for the current fiscal year indicates a year-over-year change of plus 22.9%. This estimate has remained unchanged over the last 30 days. For the next fiscal year, the consensus earnings estimate of $1.66 indicates a change of plus 24% from what Pinterest is expected to report a year ago. Over the past month, the estimate has changed plus 0.1%. Number 2. Revenue growth forecast. For Pinterest, the consensus sales estimate for the current quarter of $699.44 million indicates a year-over-year change of plus 16.1%. For the current and next fiscal years, $3.58 billion and $4.19 billion estimates indicate plus 17.3% and plus 16.9% changes, respectively. Number 3. Last reported results and surprise history. Pinterest reported revenues of $981.26 million in the last reported quarter, representing a year-over-year change of plus 11.9%. EPS of 53 cents for the same period compares with 29 cents a year ago. Compared to the consensus estimate of $988.62 million, the reported revenues represent a surprise of minus 0.74%. The EPS surprise was plus 3.92%. Over the last 4 quarters, Pinterest surpassed consensus EPS estimates 3 times. The company topped consensus revenue estimates 3 times over this period. Number 4. Valuation. Comparing the current value of a company's valuation multiples, such as its price to earnings, P/E, price to sales, P/GES, and price to cash flow, P/CF, to its own historical values helps ascertain whether its stock is fairly valued, overvalued, or undervalued, whereas comparing the company relative to its peers on these parameters gives a good sense of how reasonable its stock price is. Pinterest is graded F on this front, indicating that it is trading at a premium to its peers. Are you going to invest in this stock? Let us know in the comments.